Yes, this is the Black Shark 4. So in today's video, let's just do a quick unboxing and go through some of its features and see what's new. So the Black Shark 4 here comes in this pretty simple box. I would say it's pretty stylish. It says Black Shark here, and then the S logo, and that's pretty much it. Oh, there's also a high-res audio logo there. So let's open it up and see what's inside. And here we have the accessories box, so let's just get it out and then open it up. We can see we have a protective case alongside with some manual inside. There's also the Black Shark stickers in there, as you can see here. Yeah, Black Shark. It's a very holographic, reflective, colorful kind of sticker going on, but I'm gonna leave all of these aside for now. And the protective case looks pretty cool, I would say. We will also get back to it later. And this is the Black Shark 4 itself. So let me just get it out. Wow. Okay, this phone really looks amazing. I don't know, this X pattern here looks really cool, and with this kind of blue color, I think it's blue, dark bluish purple kind of color. The design is very symmetrical and it's just beautiful. So we'll leave that here for now. And inside here we can see we got 120 watts charger and also a USB cable. So this 120 watt charger, as you can see here, this thing really does output a total of 120 watts. So it also takes in a USB Type A cable, and I presume this is a Type A to Type C cable. It's kind of weird, but yeah, that means if you ever want to fast charge this phone, you will need to buy their own cable, because typical Type A to Type C cables won't be able to output a total of 120 watts without melting. So yeah. So leaving that aside, let's get back to the phone. So this phone comes with a 6.67 inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, and we'll leave that here for now, and then we'll set it up and see how things go. Okay, so this is the Black Shark 4 itself. Now, as you can see here, there are quite a lot of changes compared to the Black Shark 3 from last year. So firstly, they don't have the slider to go to shark space anymore, but in turn, you have two sliders now to make the physical triggers pop out. So this is technically, I would say, very satisfying to do, because this is literally like a fidgeting toy. Yeah, and also the gun cocking sound. And you can also customize them to whatever you want them to do. So currently, this one is flashlight. I just quickly set it up like this, whereby this one is to take a screenshot, because why not? But you can actually enter to this menu right here, and then you can configure them to whatever you want. You can also change the sound effect if you want to change it. And this is the Black Shark 4. As you can see here, the fingerprint scanner is also moved to this side here, so you can unlock it really quickly. And of course, you can do this as well. It's really cool idea actually. And also, yeah, let's not forget about this case right here. I should turn off the flashlight first. Yeah, and as you can see here, this case is like a smoke black finish, and it creates a really distinct look compared to any other gaming phone with its cases. Even this Black Shark 4's design is very, very different compared to the Black Shark 3 Pro, as you can see here. And also, this phone, this Black Shark 3 Pro, comes with physical triggers as well. It's magnetic, but you can only enable it in the game. But this time around, the triggers can be enabled wherever you want, even in the system, so you can have this kind of different shortcuts that you can customize. And they both feel more or less the same actually. It's still very tactile, really fun to literally press on, and I'm really liking the Black Shark 4 so far. Now, I've also tested the Black Shark 4 playing some games like Genshin Impact, COD Mobile, and also PUBG Mobile, so you can check it out at the top right corner there. And as for the charging time, of course, you guys want to know the charging time, right? This is a really big 120 watt charger. It took less than 20 minutes to charge this phone all the way from 15 to 100% battery. It's amazing, and this charger is also compatible with USB PD standards as well, and I charged up another gaming laptop of mine using the USB Type-C cable that's included. This is amazing. I really like what Black Shark has done with the Black Shark 4. And that's it. That's all we have to share with you about this really quick unboxing and also showcase of the Black Shark 4. And the Black Shark 4 will also be officially available here in Malaysia really soon. And we'll leave all of the links to whatever information we have down in the description below. Buying directly from Black Shark Malaysia will also get you 1 year of warranty and also 1 year of screen protection in case if there's any damage, and there's also after sales service as well. Again, gaming video, if you want to watch that, it's at the top right corner there or at the end screen, so watch that instead. We'll see you guys there, and I hope you guys have a nice day. This is a fantastic gaming phone.